Sometimes it takes a rainy day just to let you know everything's gonna be alright. I've been dreaming in the sun. Won't you wake me up some fun? I need a little peace of mind. Wake me from this dream that I have dreamed so many times. I need a little peace of mind. Oh, I need a little peace of mind. When you open up your life to the living, all things come spilling in on you, and you're flowing like a river, the changer and the changed. You got to spill some over, spill some over, spill some over, overall. Filling up and spilling over, it's an endless waterfall. Filling up and spilling over, overall.
Came home to an amazing day. No plans and so many surprises. Such wonderful friends. It was a wonderful, wonderful pandemic hike. Wow. Great way to start my year. Thank you.